Thanks to Paradise Farms for supplying the beef for this video. We got some great looking grass-fed beef we're running through the grinder here. We're going to make 3 different ground beef recipes: meatloaf, meatballs, and cabbage rolls. Start by making a garlic and onion puree and add some parsley. Throw it through your food processor. Go ahead and mix it up. First recipe we're going to do is our cabbage rolls. What you're going to do is take the leaves off the head of cabbage and put them into some boiling water until they become tender. Then you're going to add the puree to about a pound of meat. Dump in about a 1/4 cup of mozzarella cheese. You're going to add some black pepper, a little bit of oregano, and then a tablespoon of tomato sauce. Mix it all together. Try to aim for about a 2-ounce ball. Put that in your leaf and gently roll it, not damaging the leaf, best you can. Take a baking dish, spread a shallow layer of tomato sauce at the bottom. Go ahead and put your rolls in that. Top with a little bit more tomato sauce and then a little bit more mozzarella cheese. Bake at 300 for 30 minutes or until the internal temp is 165. Next we're going to do our meatloaf. Start with a pound of the ground beef, crack an egg right in, and we're going to add 1/2 cup of cheddar cheese. We'll throw in some oregano and some black pepper and then a ranch packet. After that, we're going to add our garlic and onion puree, about a tablespoon. If you don't want to make a puree, you can use onion and garlic powder. It works just fine. After that, 3 tablespoons of tomato sauce, 1/4 cup of breadcrumbs, more Parmesan cheese. Go ahead and mix it well. Then go ahead and form your meatloaf. After that, top it with some more tomato sauce, just covering the top, and top that with more cheese. We're going to put this in the oven at 300 degrees for 40 minutes, and then the last 5 minutes on broil, just to crisp up the top. Make sure the internal temp is 165. Let's get into our meatballs. We're going to do 3 tablespoons of tomato sauce and a pound of ground beef. Then you're going to cover it well with some Parmesan cheese. We're going to throw in our spoonful of garlic onion puree, 1/4 cup of breadcrumbs, and we're going to add in basil leaves, good amount covering the top, a little bit of black pepper on top of that. I use truffle oil, just a pinch. You could use regular olive oil if you like. Just mix everything together really well. Roll into 2-ounce meatballs and then have it in a preheated oven at 300 degrees. For us, it was about 35 minutes, and that was good enough to reach the required internal temperature of 165 degrees. Alright, all 3 of these came out really good. The cabbage rolls were really tasty. The meatloaf, that nice crispy layer on top, probably made it my favorite. Meatballs were good enough to make again. All 3 really good. Thanks for watching, guys.